So here's the reality. And skip building the actual strength that makes it possible. That's why they stay stuck. If you want to get your first muscle up, stop trying to muscle your way over the bar. Build the strength where it actually matters. Ring dips, pressing strength, and stability through your shoulders and chest. This is what carries you through the top of the muscle up. Rear dumbbell raises strengthen your upper back and rear delts, which are critical for controlling the pull and protecting your shoulders. And push-ups on the rings force your stabilizers to work overtime, building real-world strength and control that you don't get from the floor. This combination builds real strength in the exact positions that a muscle up demands. Master these first. Then you're not just hoping for a muscle up, you're actually building one.
So let's start with the ring dips, okay? So notice how I have my legs straight out in front of me, okay? My legs are nice and straight. Now, you don't have to keep your legs straight. You can bend your knees and have your feet flat on the floor if that's easier. Keeping your legs straight is a little bit more difficult. Notice how I'm coming down. It's taking me 4 seconds to come down, and then I fire it back up, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up, okay? Now, next, I'm going to a bent over rear delt, okay? So I'm holding the dumbbells in a prone position, that means overhand, and I'm just coming straight out to the side, squeezing back. And notice how my head is looking straight down to keep that spine neutral. All right, now I'm coming back to the ring dips here just so I can show you a different angle. Again, my legs are straight. And you can just see from the front here, I just wanted to make sure you get a good view of exactly what I'm doing. Now, this exercise, it's going to be harder coming down, taking 4 seconds to come down, okay? It's not like just going up and down with a fluid motion. We're going to have that negative is going to be a little bit harder because we're taking that 4 seconds to come down. That makes it a lot harder, but it's great for increasing strength, okay? 10 to 15 reps on that. Now, another way you can do this, this would be once you are very comfortable with ring dips, is you can take 3 seconds to come down, but then have a 2-second hold at the bottom of the movement before coming back up, okay? So that is even harder. Now, the next exercise, these are ring push-ups, but notice how on these push-ups, I'm keeping my hands and elbows in close to my body. And I'm taking about 4 seconds to come down and then pushing back up, okay? Great for shoulder stability, okay? And I'm showing you this from the front just so you can see how when I come down, my hands are very close to my body. It's like I'm bringing my armpits down to my hands and then pressing back up. This one, you can do a 4-second count on the way down. Once you're comfortable with those, then go 3 seconds down, 2-second hold at the bottom, and then back up, just like how we did with the ring dips, okay? So that, again, is a great exercise, all right? So this is something that is really going to be great to start with if you are interested in doing a muscle up, all right? So I want you to go out and give these a try and make it a great day.